The stock market is not as complicated or scary as many people think. Just look at the story of the Dutch East India Company back in the 1600s, when they unintentionally created the first stock market by selling shares to fund their overseas trade. Today, this market has evolved into a massive system, and I'll share with you 5 basic steps to conquer it. First, IPO, the big investment opportunity. When a new company launches, they will issue shares to the public. IPO. This is your chance to be one of the first investors and grab the massive potential for profits. Second, buy stocks. Own a part of success. Buying stocks means owning a small part of the company. The more people trust the company, the higher the stock price rises, and so does your profit. Third, monitor the market. Don't be surprised. The stock market is always changing. Keep up with the news to avoid surprises and make well-informed decisions. Fourth, manage risks. Don't let yourself suffer losses. If stock prices drop, don't panic. Stay informed to sell stocks at the right time and minimize losses. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Last, long-term investment. Patience is key. Long-term investment yields more stable returns than short-term trading. Trust your strategy and patiently wait for the rewards. The stock market isn't a game of chance. With these 5 steps and some patience, you can definitely succeed. Good luck.